How to enable the Developer tab in Excel for Windows. In this video, I'm going to explain how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Excel for Windows. The quickest way to do this is to right-click on any of the ribbon tabs at the top of Excel. From the menu that appears, select Customize the ribbon. This will open the Excel options window. On the left side, make sure Customize Ribbon is selected. On the right side, you'll see a list of all the tabs available in the ribbon. Look for the one labeled Developer. It's likely unchecked by default. Simply check the box next to Developer to enable it. Then click OK at the bottom of the window. That's it. You should now see the Developer tab appear in your Excel ribbon. You only need to do this once. From now on, the Developer tab will be available every time you open Excel. The Developer tab contains tools for working with macros, VBA, Visual Basic for applications, and form controls. You'll find the Visual Basic button, which opens the VBA editor, one of the most frequently used features on this tab. You can also press Alt plus F11 as a shortcut. Other features include buttons to record macros, view your macro list, and manage Excel add-ins and form controls. And that's how to enable the Developer tab in Excel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.